I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 48 for grade 2 mathematics. We started to learn how to read the time, guys. And in the last class, we practiced about AM and PM as well. And we learned about the basics of the time. Guys, you know about the small hand or shorthand, right? You know that we use small hand for telling hours and long hand for telling minutes. In the last class, we discussed that in the training clock, when there is no minute hand, if our hand is at 6, so we will say it is 6 o'clock. If our hand is at 7, we will say it is 7 o'clock. If our hand is at 8, we will say 8 o'clock. If our hand is at 9, we will say 9 o'clock. So that was the very easy concept that we will check the hour hand. If it is exactly at any number, that's mean it is, you will say it is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whatever the number is. We also learn that whether if a number, if like this hand is between 6 and 7, forget about this hand right now, okay? If the hour hand is between 6 and 7, then also we discuss that still it is 6 o'clock. We are not talking about minute hand, okay? Still it is 6 o'clock. Maybe some minutes have been passed, some minutes must have been passed here. But if I ask you the hour will be 6. Until this hour end reach to the 7, you will not say it is 7. Even if it reach here, so you can say it is still 6 o'clock. Okay, it is still 6 o'clock. Until it reach up to 7, it will be 6 o'clock, right? When we are in training clock where minute hand is not available, we are just learning, revising for the hour hand concept. So we learned that for checking the hour hand, we always check the number before the number which is before the hand. Like this is the hour hand, what is the number before our hand? That is 6. Okay, if it is not exactly at particular number, then we will check the number before. It's not like that it is exactly at 6 and you are going to say it is 5 because before 6 it is 5. No, 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 no. Until it reach to the next number, then you will check the before number which is before. If it reaches to the 7, exactly 7, then you will say it is 7 o'clock. If it is at 6 or midway between 6 and 7 or just before 7, so you will say that it is 6 o'clock. This that was which we learned yesterday. Okay, so this is how you will identify the hour. The hour is 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. Then we learned about the minute hand also, that the long hand tell about the minutes. At the 12 o'clock, there are 0 minutes. That's mean if it is 6 and the long hand is at 12, that's mean it is 6 o'clock. So you will write it is 6 o'clock. Or you can write like this. I tell you that the first number tell you the hours and the second two numbers tell you the minutes after the colon sign. So this is 6. How many minutes have been passed? 0 0. So you will write 0 0. That's mean it is 6 o'clock. Up to here, do you understand everything, guys?
Yes,
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 yes, sir. Can you repeat it?
yes, sir.
Very good. Do you have any questions?
No.
No.
Okay, if you have any question, you can send a message in the chat box. I will read your message and I will open your mic and I will take your question. All right, guys. So this is clear now that to tell the time, you have to check the two hands, small hand and long hand. The small hand will tell you the number of hour and longhand will tell you the minute. One more thing we discussed in the last class, guys. Okay, there is a message. All right, Adam, no problem. I will repeat it again and again. Okay, I will repeat it again and again. All right, guys. So we discussed one more thing, that as you can see that this long hand is at 12. That means 0 minutes have been passed. You will not say 12 minutes have been passed. For hour, you will check the number for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But for the minutes, you will not check the number. I tell you that each interval, each line is representing 1 minute. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So guys, each line here is at representing 1 minute. Okay, so for minutes, what you have to do, you should know that each line is representing 1 minute, and from one number to another number, like from 12 to 1, there are 5 minutes. 1 to 2, there are also 5 minutes. From every one number to another number, there are 5 minutes. So in the outer circle, these are the minutes written: 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. So for the minutes, if it is 1, you will say 5 minutes have been passed. 6 or 5, if it is at 12, 2, you will say 6 or 10. If it is at 3, you will say 6 or 15. Okay, in that way. Saud is having a question. Yes, Saud.
Sir,
Yes.
on what today we are? What is we practice
Yes.
for for
Time.
for the time?
Hmm.
Okay, sir. I want to say something. Uh, we practice until we the next class we have to practice this or the page that you open in OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. That it
Listen,
is
listen, Saud. First,
yeah
we will practice in the class. Okay. I
on
will,
this.
yes, on this. I will change the time. I will ask you, you will participate in the class. Okay, we will practice. Once we have a command, then I'll give you the worksheet. Okay, and then you will
Okay.
solve that worksheet. Okay,
And this is
we will
what is it?
also solve the questions in the book related to the time.
What sir? What there is a page you open it at OneNote. What is it? This page? Practice.
This is, we are practicing. This is just I'm explaining you how to check the time. I will change the time, I will ask you, then change the time, then I'll ask you, so that you can have a lot of practice for the time. Once I give you the worksheet, and once we go to the once we go to the book for the questions, then you have good command on the questions and you can easily solve it by yourself.
Okay.
Okay, all right. All right, guys, so wait, Sharif, I know you know it, you know about the time. I will ask, take your question later. All right. So now I'm going to change the time, guys, and you are going to answer me what time is it. Okay. For that, I'm going to share a new screen. You can see the new screen. Can you see the new screen, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
That's very good. Now I'm going to draw a hands here. This is the shorthand. This is the shorthand. Yes, guys. Can you tell me what time is it? Can you tell me the number of hours?
2 o'clock.
That's very good. That's very good.
Oh.
Just we will practice for only hours right now, for 4 to 5 questions. Then I will add a minute hand also. Okay. Yes, guys. What time is it? Can you tell me what time is it?
4 o'clock.
Very good. It is 4 o'clock. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, can you tell me the hour? Yes.
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Very good. The answer is 5 o'clock. The answer is 5 o'clock. Why 5 o'clock? Because it is not reached up to 6. So this is, you will say 5 o'clock. That's very good. Okay. Yes. Can you tell me right now? Hours.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
First thing, guys, you don't need to shout. You just need to answer. You don't need to shout. You just need to answer. Yes. So that I can understand you clearly, your answer. Ziyad and Rafiq Samir, I am asking you not to shout. I'm telling you not to shout. Is it 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, guys?
6.
Very good. The answer is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. So, guys, we have practiced about the hour hand. Now I am going to add the minute hand also. So it is at 2, and I'm going to add a 1 minute hand here. Yes, guys. Can you tell me what time is it? Answer me in the chat box. How you will write the time? What time is it? Muhammad Amjad, I think. Harbi, Manthar, very good. Os, very good. Manthar and asked right proper answer. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Ilyas, very good. Ali, very good. Umar Hassan, very good. Sharif Ahmad, very good. Ahmad Muhammad Al Rufai, very good. Saud, wrong. Ayan, very good. No. Arsh, very good. Arsh, why 12? No to 12. Up to 12, how many minutes? 0 minutes. So 2 o'clock. I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys, what is the time here?
2 o'clock.
Very good. You know how you will write this time? You will write this 2 o'clock. This is the way how you will write the time. This is 2 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock. Okay, the time is 2 o'clock. This is how you will write it. Now I'm going to change the time, and I'm going to ask it one by one. Now look at the time, guys, and tell me what time is it. Very good, Ilyas. And I'm going to take one of the student, and that is Ali. Ali, can you tell me that time? What time is it?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay, very good. Guys, don't need to raise your hand, okay? I'm coming to you one by one. Mashari. Mashari,
sir.
can you tell me what time is it?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. How many minutes have been passed after 3 o'clock?
No minutes.
No minutes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. And the next student is Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahim.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What time is it? Yes, what time is it?
12 o'clock.
No. Look at this hand. This is short hand. 12 at 12. This is long hand.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Very good. How many minutes have been passed after 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock.
Say
0 minutes.
0 minutes.
3
Very
o'clock.
good. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. Before going to the next, I'm going to change it. Change this hour hand. And I'm going to ask it by Abdul Aziz Muhammad. Abdul Aziz Muhammad. Abdul Aziz Muhammad. Abdul Rahman.
Yes, sir.
What time is it?
Wait.
What time is it?
5 o'clock.
How 5 o'clock?
I meant. Oh, wait a minute. Let me check the minute. Two. Two. Wait a minute. Is it 2?
Look at the short hand. Which is the hour hand? Where is the hour hand?
That 4.
So
Which hand?
what time is it? Hour is 4. Minutes are
Wait a minute. Answer? Can I take the answer?
fast.
Okay. 4 o'clock, 12 minutes.
No 12 minute. This is 0. This is 12. 12 means 0 minutes. Okay. We will not say 12 minutes. Okay. This line is representing minute. Here 0 minute, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 10 minutes. Okay. For hours, we will check the number. For hours, we will check the number. But for the minutes, we will check the lines, or we will count in 5s. Okay.
Okay, okay, I understand.
All right. All right. I'm going to take one more student, and Adam Khalid.
Yes, sir.
What time is it, Adam?
4 p.m.
4 o'clock. Right?
Yeah.
How many minutes have been passed? How many minutes have been passed after 4 o'clock?
I don't understand.
I am asking how many minutes have been passed after 4 o'clock? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. The answer is 0. It is 0 minutes after 4 o'clock. And how you will write the time, guys? You will write the time like this. It is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. All right, guys. Let's talk about if some minutes are passed. Okay. As I told you that the line is representing a single minute. Now this long hand is at 1. Okay. Now what time is it? Now it is not 4 o'clock. Okay, now it is not 4 o'clock. I'm not going to ask you this time. This time I will tell you, but the next time I will ask you. Now you will say, for this time, what you have to do, guys, first you will check the hour. The hour is 4. You will write 4, then colon sign. Then you will check how many minutes have been passed. So from 12 to 1, there are 5 minutes. As I told you, from one number to another number, there are total 5 minutes. Okay, so the origin is 12. There are total 5 minutes. So you will write 4:05. What time is it? You will say, sir, it's 4:05. It's 4:05. Okay, it's 4:05. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, no,
Yes,
no,
sir.
no, 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 no.
Very good. One more example, guys. Let's suppose this long hand is at 5. Sorry, 3. Okay, this long hand is at 3. Now, if I ask you what time is it, again you will apply the same formula. You will check the hour. The hour end is at 4. So you will write on the hour 4. Now, for minutes, you will check from 12 how many minutes have been passed. 5, 10, 15. For minutes, you will count in fives from 12. 5, 10, 15. So this is 4 of 15. This is 4 of 15. Clear, guys?
Yeah, last question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
Very good. Let me take the question of Sharif. He is asking. Yes, Sharif.
So, sir,
Yes.
we should start at the hour minute, like a plus, an addition, and subtraction, like start in ones, like this.
No, don't need to do once. Just check the table of 5. Okay, from 12.
Uh,
If it's very easy, check the table of 5.
to 5 multiplication 5 1 to 12. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 10, 5, 3, 15. Count in fives. Add 5, 5, 5.
But it's
5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, like this. And the clock I show you here, there is already written. The minutes are already written outside the circle. So it is very easy to you. You just need to see the minutes outside the circle. At 3, how many minutes are there? 15. At 4, how many minutes are there? 20. 8, how many minutes are there? 40. It's
but
written.
sir, uh, but, but sir, I can answer the hard question.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I give you the little harder.
Little hard. Give me the harder.
Tell me the time
Yes.
of this.
This the hour is between 4 and 5, so it's 4, and
Okay.
the minute is 40. So
So
we write it as 440.
that's very good. Exactly. Thank you. All right, guys. So you see Sharif answer this. This is the correct answer. This is 440. Why 440? Because the minutes are 40 here. You count in fives. The outer circle, these are minutes, guys. 0, 5, 10, 15. These are minutes, okay? For the minutes, we count in fives. So here 40 minutes and the hour is still 4. It is not reached up to 5. So it is 440. Let me take again here. Now come to here, guys. This is the time. It is at 6. Okay. Now you have to tell me the time. You have to tell me the time now. What time is it? Yes, guys, answer me in the chat box. Omar Hassan, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Ali, very good. Muhammad Al Harbi, very good. Saud, very good. Ahmad, it is not 4 only. You have to tell me the full time. Okay. I'm going to take one of the student with me. I will answer. I ask you not to raise your hand. Amal. Amal, can you hear me? Where is he? Your mic is open, Amal. There is some problem with the Amal mic, I think. Ahmad Yusuf,
What, sir?
can you tell me what time is it?
This?
Yes.
Okay. 4.5.
How you will write? Tell me what to write first.
4
Okay. Colon sign.
colon
Then
sign and 30.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Ahmad Yusuf is saying like this. Let me take one more student. Ammar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What time is it, Ammar?
4.5.
How you will write it? What should I write first?
4.
Then
30.
why 30?
Because the minute line is on 30.
Because 30 minutes have been passed. Okay. Because 30 minutes have been passed. Exactly, guys. The answer is here 4:30. Okay. Let's take this long hand to the 9. This is at 9 now. Now you will have to tell me the time, guys. Tell me the time in the chat box first. Muhammad Al Harbi, very good. Sharif, very good. Other students, please participate. Saud, very good. Umar Hassan, very good. Adam, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Ilyas, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student with me, and this is Anas Ali. Anas Ali, can you hear me? Anas Ali. Anas Ali, can you hear me? Arsh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Arsh, can you tell me what time is it?
Uh, 4:45.
Yes. That's very good. How you will write the time?
4:45.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Let me take one more student, and that is Os. Os, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Os. Please tell me the time. What time is it right now?
94.
Sorry?
94.
94? Okay,
49.
tell me the time first. What to write first?
4,
Okay.
9.
49, you mean that?
Yes.
How? Look at the long hand.
No, no, no. 94, 94.
Why 94? Look at the...
Because,
Yes,
because
yes.
the minute, not,
The minute hand is at 9. At 9, check the minutes. How many minutes have been passed? From 12. Look, these are outside are the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. How many minutes have been passed?
45.
So 4:45 is the answer. 4:45. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
welcome. 4:45 is the answer. Okay. Ayan. Ayan,
Yes, sir.
what time is it right now?
Right now is 4 4 4:45.
4:45. How you will write it?
Write first 4
Okay.
and then write 45.
Is it?
Yes.
That's very good. Exactly, guys. This is the correct answer. It is 4:45 and we will write like this. So guys, we have practiced today about o'clock when the minute hand is at 12. That means 0 minutes. 4 o'clock. If it is at 1, 4:05. If it is at 3, 4:15. If it is at 6, 4:30. If it is at 9, 4:45. Okay. We will practice more about the time inshallah in the next class, and we will complete the worksheet also, and we will complete the book questions also. Okay, our class time is almost finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.